Hey, Gary here with you, AI Blogging. Today we are focused on GrooveBlog because we got an update. We're inside of GrooveBlog. You can see the post that we have published currently. And if you remember and go back to day 15, we talked about the limitations of GrooveBlog, specifically a performance issue. Now in day 19, we took a look at resizing the images, making the images smaller. We had the same performance issue as far as the overall performance, specifically talking about mobile, but we did resize those images, the feature image for each post, and that did speed things up a little bit better or a little bit more, made it a little faster. But we have some good news from Groove Digital Support. Hello, Gary. Good day. We are sorry for the delay in getting back to you regarding the issue. We have fixed it now. Can you please republish your blog once and verify? They then said, thank you for your patience and have a great day. So I went to Page Speed Insights to see how great my day could be. And you can see here now we have a performance of 62. Here you can see inside of the Groove Digital Facebook group, you can see they did a Groove monthly update on May 22nd. You can see that they were testing their blog, which is the same server that my blog is on. And they were using GT metrics and they got a grade of E. Then here you can see after the update that they applied, they did some fixes in the code. They were able to get a grade of A. So I went ahead and went to GT metrics to test that same post. You can see here the performance is 96%. It is an A. Now, I don't put much faith in GT metrics. My site is being ranked and the focus here is always Google and what Google thinks. But a 62 is pretty good. And you can scroll down and you can see that the images coming in at 1.34 seconds is still pretty good. Now that was for a particular post. I did go to the main site or the front page of the blog, and you can see that it still has a performance of 38, but overall better than where we were at when we first got started and we were testing this. And it's good to see that Groove is taking this serious and they're updating GrooveBlog. They had some future updates that are coming soon that are going to be interesting as well, specifically talking about being able to drop in Markdown directly inside of the blog post editor. When that happens, I'll be sure to show you that. In this update, I just wanted to make sure that you saw performance has gotten better, and it is actually quite snappy and pretty fast. Even when I'm taking a look at the site on the phone, it does load up rather quickly. All in all, I'd just like to say kudos to Groove. Hopefully you keep making this product better along with all the other products inside of the Groove suite of products. And it really does become what you want it to be, world class. So if you're using Groove, well, check it out. If you don't have a Groove account, there is a link in the description. You can grab a free account and try it out. It's not perfect. It ain't the best, but it's pretty good. And after this update, it looks like they are serious about making it better. So check that out. Again, like I said, link in the description, free account, check out Groove, and I'll see you in the next update. Bye.